Alright. Hi guys, today I'll share with you Makita DHG181ZK 18-watt cordless heat gun. Please like, subscribe and turn on the bell for more videos. Max of 550 degrees Celsius air temperature for a wide range of cordless works. Example, putting up wallpaper, drying or removal of paint and more. The model has a quick release mechanism for easy nozzle replacement. Nozzle can be removed without touching the hot metal part simply by turning plastic ring. Using a 6.0 Ah battery, Stage 1 can last for 30 minutes and Stage 2 can last for 21 minutes. The airflow for Stage 1 is 120 liters per minute and Stage 2 is 200 liters per minute. For the air temperature, dial 1 will be ambient temperature, dial 2 will be 150 degree, dial 3 will be 250 degree, dial 4 will be 350 degree, dial 5 will be 450 degree, and dial 6 will be 550 degree. It includes 4 types of nozzle, which is reduction nozzle, refractor nozzle, white slot nozzle, and glass protection nozzle. This heat gun is also engineered for industrial application and is ideal for a wide range of applications including heat shrinking, vehicle wraps and tinting, stripping lacquer, paint and varnish, remelting adhesive, removing sticker, soldering, bending plastic pipes and more. Besides that, it also has a hanging hook for increased operator convenience. LED job lights and lock-on button allowing for convenient use in prolonged applications.